Good morning, students. How are you? Yes, in my previous class, we are study the simplifications, unit 9.2, page number 102. So, my dear students, question number 2. We are doing simplifications. Simplify the following. So, look at here. Here is the questions. Question number 2 is E. Okay. So uh, here is the small brackets. We solve the small brackets problem first. In this small bracket, we are doing the off. Off means, what do you know the off? Off means multiplications, and which is doing before the divide. So here is the no divide. It means there is a multiplier at first. Okay. So as it is, you write here 7 divided by small bracket. In small bracket, we are doing multiplications. 7 2 3 is 6 minus 5 plus 6 small bracket close plus 9 is equals to so in small bracket is not omission, so we are doing in small bracket here additions. So 7 divided by 6 and 6 12 plus minus 5 small bracket close plus 6 9. So my dear students, here the small brackets, when the terms are the two terms are omissions, then one digit is here. At that time, the small bracket is omitted. Okay, divided by 7 plus 9. So now here it is a without brackets problems. So here divide is doing at first. 7 is divisible 7. How many times? 1 times, and 1 plus 9. Our right answer is 10. So in this way, this is the solution of the question number 2E. Now we are solves question number G, 2G. Okay. So now here we are simplified at first the small brackets. In small brackets we are doing divide at first here. So other numbers are right as it is. 6 plus 7 of 3 minus small bracket 9 plus 2 minus 6 is divisible 2 is divisible 6 3 times. 3 is right down here, small bracket close, curly bracket close. Now 9 plus curly bracket 6 plus 7 of 3 minus, now you add it these two on because they are the plus, same sign. Okay, so here 11 minus 3 small bracket close, curly bracket close. So my dear students, here 9 plus curly bracket 6 plus 7 of 3 minus, here we do it here, that's difference. 8 difference is equal to positive 8, and small bracket is omitted. Now curly bracket is closed. So in curly bracket we are doing here the first of all multiplications of multiplication we are doing first. Okay, so 9 plus curly bracket 6 plus 3 7s are 21 minus 8 curly bracket close. So similarly 9 plus, now you are doing additions, curly brackets 27 minus 8 curly bracket close. So is equals to 9 plus, the difference is 19 is equals to 28 is our right answer. So in this two example you should be following. The last one is X number simplifications. So we are doing the X number simplifications. Distance. We are doing small brackets problems. In small bracket there is a no multiplications, no addition, divide, no multiply. So we are doing at first additions. So 8 minus curly bracket 7 plus 4. Check the numbers what they are the additions. Okay, this 6, this minus 1 is a negative, and this is positive, and this is positive. So three numbers are the positive numbers, so they should be the added. 6 and 3, 9 and 2, 11, minus 1, small bracket close, curly bracket close. Same way you are doing 8 minus curly bracket 7 plus 4 minus, now its difference is 10, curly bracket close. So is equals to 8 minus, now here in curly brackets we are doing addition first. This and this number is additions because they are the positive sign, and now this 7 and 7 and 4, 11 minus 10, and these two terms have the different sign, and the difference is equals to minus 2, sorry 1, 1, and now its right answer is equal to 7. So these are the three example to solve the question number 2. Okay, right, in this way we are solve question number 4 and 3. Question number 3. Simplify. Simplify the expression now I am going to teach the question number B. 9 minus curly brackets 8 6 minus 5 minus 3 small bracket close, curly brackets plus 8. So my dear students, you are just a seconds note down these solutions. I will just come back, just a minute, I come back. Okay. Okay, now my dear students, here, so in these questions, in our rules of the simplifications, we are doing the is small brackets, small brackets, so 9 minus curly bracket 8 minus 6 small bracket 6, this subtraction sign, positive number is only 1, then that's why you are add these two numbers, minus 8 curly bracket close plus is equals to 9 minus curly brackets 8 minus 6, and here is the negative sign is greatest, that's why remind here negative numbers plus 8. So when the negative numbers is comes here, at that times no any sign is appears, at the time there is a off, there is a off numbers. Okay, so you are multiplied with sign numbers 8 minus these numbers, and this sign is multiplied, minus plus 2 6 are 12, only bracket is closed, plus 8, and then 9 minus its sum is how much, 20 plus 8. Now it comes without bracket simplifications. The question is became without bracket simplifications. So here is 8 and 9 is a positive numbers, that's they are the add it, how much, 17 minus 20. So it answer is how much, this answer? Yes, it is a 3, not 3, minus 3 is our right answer. Okay. Okay, note down. I just come back.